Welcome to Wonderful Home Design. In this video, we show the beauty of epoxy resin table. Epoxy resin tables have gained immense popularity in recent years, captivating enthusiasts with their unique blend of aesthetics and functionality. These tables are crafted by combining wood or other materials with a clear or colored epoxy resin, creating stunning visual effects. The resin fills in gaps, knots, and imperfections in the wood, enhancing its natural beauty while providing a durable, water-resistant surface. Each piece is a one-of-a-kind creation, often resembling abstract art with vibrant colors and intricate patterns. The versatility of epoxy resin allows for creative designs, including embedding objects like stones, shells, or LED lights, making these tables perfect for any decor style. Moreover, their robust nature ensures longevity, making them a worthwhile investment for both residential and commercial spaces. As a centerpiece, an epoxy resin table not only serves practical purposes, but also sparks conversation. Epoxy resin tables have become a trendy choice for both modern and rustic interiors, celebrated for their stunning visual appeal and durability. These unique pieces are crafted by combining wood with epoxy resin, which is available in a variety of colors and finishes. The resin fills gaps, cracks, and imperfections in the wood, transforming them into eye-catching features that enhance the wood's natural beauty. Each table is a one-of-a-kind work of art, often showcasing mesmerizing patterns and depth that evoke a sense of elegance and craftsmanship. Additionally, epoxy resin tables are resistant to water and stains, making them practical for everyday use. Their versatility allows them to fit seamlessly into any decor style, whether as a dining table, coffee table, or desk. With the ability to personalize designs, like embedding objects or adding unique colors, epoxy resin tables truly stand out as functional art pieces that elevate any space. Epoxy resin tables are rapidly becoming a favorite among interior design enthusiasts for their breathtaking beauty and strong performance. These tables combine natural wood, often sourced from reclaimed timber, with a layer of epoxy resin that enhances their visual appeal while providing a durable finish. Each piece is unique, showcasing the wood's grain, color, and texture, often intertwined with rich colors or glittering effects in the resin, creating stunning visual depth. This modern craftsmanship allows for endless customization, from minimalist designs to bold and artistic statements that can complement any space. Aside from their aesthetic charm, epoxy resin tables are easy to maintain, resistant to heat and scratches, making them ideal for everyday use. Whether used in homes, offices, or commercial settings, these tables not only serve as functional furniture but also as conversation starters, reflecting the creativity and artistry involved in their creation. Incorporating an epoxy resin table into the living room can dramatically enhance the space's aesthetic and functionality, creating a stylish and inviting atmosphere. These tables can serve as coffee tables, side tables, or even statement dining tables, drawing attention with their unique designs and captivating color contrasts. The reflective surface of the epoxy resin can complement various decor styles, from contemporary to industrial, while the natural wood elements add warmth and organic charm. Placing an epoxy resin table in the living room encourages a cozy gathering space for friends and family, making it ideal for casual conversations, game nights, or enjoying a cup of coffee. Additionally, their durability and ease of maintenance make them practical choices for high-traffic areas, effortlessly blending beauty with utility. Epoxy resin tables have gained popularity for their striking aesthetics and versatility, serving as stunning focal points in modern interior design. Often handcrafted by pouring colorful, durable epoxy resin into or over wooden slabs, these tables showcase unique patterns and effects that resemble natural elements such as flowing water or geological formations. The combination of resin and wood not only enhances the visual appeal, but also offers a high level of durability and resistance to scratches, making them ideal for everyday use. Each epoxy resin table is a work of art, as the interplay between the resin and the wood grain creates a one-of-a-kind piece that reflects the artisan's creativity. Available in various styles and sizes, these tables can fit seamlessly into any setting, from chic dining rooms to contemporary workspaces, elevating the ambience while celebrating the beauty of both nature and craftsmanship. The process of creating an epoxy resin table involves skill and artistry. As artisans carefully select and prepare the wood, ensuring it is both visually appealing and structurally sound. Typically, live edge wood slabs are favored for their organic shapes and unique grain patterns, which add character to the finished piece. Once the wood is prepared, the resin is mixed and poured, often tinted with vibrant pigments or infused with elements like metallic powders, stones, or dried flowers, allowing for infinite design possibilities. After curing, the table is polished to achieve a glossy, crystal-clear finish that accentuates the depth and intricacies of the resin. Besides their aesthetic allure, epoxy resin tables are also easy to maintain. They are resistant to water and stains, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor settings.